Hello everyone, today I'll be taking us on a tour of an amazing home for sale in Gilbert, Arizona. You won't want to miss this one. If this is your first time to the channel, my name is Sean Rogers, the lead of the Mr. Rogers Homes real estate team. We make videos all about Arizona. So if you're thinking about moving in or to the Valley of the Sun, please reach out to us. All of my contact information can be found below. Enough babbling, let's get on with the tour of this beautiful home for sale.
Hey, it's David Hulka, AZ Realtor here, Realtor on the Mr. Rogers Homes team of West USA Realty, and I'm standing outside of 2544 East Megan Street in the community of Lyons Gate. This is in Gilbert, 85295.
Let's go check it out. This is the kitchen. The refrigerator and the washer and dryer. They all stay with the house. Lots of cabinet space. Got a half bath here. Garage is over there. It's got a soft water loop, so you can add a soft water softener very easily. Epoxy floors in there. In fact, let me show you the floors in here. Vinyl wood flooring. Ceiling fans. Really cool light fixture out there above the kitchen table. We got artificial turf in the backyard, which is really nice. Covered patio. Here is the primary suite. Very spacious. That's a California king bed, so very wide, and look how much room they have on either side of the California king bed here. So nice, spacious master bedroom. Good flooring. The mount will stay, so you can set your TV up right in front of your bed after you move in. Here's the master bathroom and master closet. It's nice. You got two sides here. You got kind of the his and her side. You got a full walk-in closet over here, and then you got that sliding glass door, sliding mirror door that I showed you there. Tile, of course, in the master and bathroom areas. Dual sinks. Linen closet. We got a tub shower combination here. That's like a garden style tub, so nice and big. It's a nice spacious master bathroom. Private toilet room, of course. Here's bedroom number 2. Again, excellent flooring. Carpet's in great shape. Here's bedroom number 3. Wow, does this Gilbert, Arizona home have everything that you're looking for? I hope so, and it could be yours. Call us ASAP. We'll set up a private, no obligation tour. Until next time, God bless America. Please take care.